there comes a time in life when the storm hits harder than you ever expected. The loss feels unbearable. The silence is louder than the noise. You look around, and everything you built is gone. In that moment, when life breaks you, there's one thing you must never let go of. I once knew a man who lost everything. His business collapsed. His marriage fell apart. Friends disappeared. Family turned silent. He was left with nothing but pain and questions. He sat alone, wondering if this was it. If maybe he had nothing left to offer the world. But here's what made him different. He held on to one thing. Not money, not luck, not sympathy. He held on to his philosophy. You see, when life breaks you, you must hold on to something deeper. Something life can't take away. Your mindset, your values, your daily disciplines. Because those are the seeds of your comeback. Don't wish for the pain to go away. Wish for the strength to grow through it. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. That's what he did. He read. He reflected. He rebuilt. One small act of discipline at a time. Pain didn't destroy him. It shaped him. Struggle didn't stop him. It trained him. He became the kind of person who could survive the storm. Not because he avoided it, but because he stayed anchored. Anchored in purpose. Anchored in discipline. Anchored in vision. That's the key. When everything outside of you is falling apart, you must build something stronger inside you. So let me ask you, if life breaks you, what will you hold on to? Not what they gave you, not what they took away, but what you chose to protect. Your character, your mindset, your discipline. That's the one thing that can rebuild everything else. And if you hold on to that, you're never truly broken.